When do you think your brother got addicted to fidget spinners?
My brother got addicted to fidget spinners when they first came out.
Woo! 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 Come on! Yeah, come on! I love this. How do you try to help your brother with his addiction?
I try to get him to stop. Damn it to hell, I try to get him to stop. I'm sorry. It's too emotional.
Bro, what the hell are you doing?
Nothing. I'm just playing with my spinners.
Well, you need to stop. Every time I turn around, you playing with them damn spinners. Man, take your ass outside and play or something. I'm tired of you playing with them damn spinners. Damn. You got an addiction. And you need to break it. Take your ass outside. How bad is your brother's addiction with those spinners?
Man, how bad is it? Man, he's sleeping with them damn spinners. He talking to them damn spinners.
Yeah, I miss both of you guys. I miss you, and I miss you. You glowing cause you miss me. Oh, I miss you too.
Man, this guy got it so bad, he even trying to feed his fidget spinner.
Come on. It's time to eat. Look, I'm not going to be eating by myself. Come on. Eat this banana. It's time to eat. Come on. Come on.
Man, and he's sniffing them damn spinners. And oh Lord, one more thing. Please do not try to take this man fidget spinner.
Oh Lord, every time I turn around, you got this fidget spinner. Man, give me this fidget spinner.
I'm going to eat you up. I'm not addicted to fidget spinners.
I tried to take that boy fidget spinner and he almost bit my damn hand off. I think we need an exorcist up in here. And who else knows? Maybe on the low, he's sticking something in them damn spinners.
If you had something to say to the fidget spinner owner, what would you say right now to the camera?
I want to say damn the owner of them fidget spinners, and I want to say damn the creative team of the one that made them damn fidget spinners. You took my brother from me. Damn it, you took my brother and I want him back. I want him back. Them things are addictive. Every time you go into a store, people say them damn things everywhere. Well, damn it, they right there. It's everywhere. You can't stop them. You cannot stop them damn fidget spinners that y'all created. I mean, your damn fidget spinners are so addictive. The ones that spin, the regular ones. And then you got the ones with the lights. Oh, Lord, why did you make the ones with the lights? The ones with the lights, they just spin. They spin with them beautiful, colorful lights. And they just hypnotize you. They just hypnotize you. Make you go into a daze. They try to make you go to sleep. Damn it, that's what they doing. They trying to make you go to sleep. It's that damn Illuminati. Trying to make you go to sleep. I just want my brother back.
Mr. Harrison, I'm here for you.
Damn it, don't you touch me. Don't you touch me. You get back before I smack you in the damn chin. Get back. You're probably with them. Probably with the Illuminati and them daggone fake Hispanic people. I just want my brother back.